All right, so let's work on solving equations with variables on both sides. As you can already see, I drew a straight line down my equal side so that I can recognize that these two sides have to equal one another. This comes from the concept of hanger diagrams, where in order for this to be a true statement, what's on my left side has to be equal to what's on my right side. After you understand that, the next thing I need you to do is to go ahead and circle your variables. So 2x gets circled because 2 is connected to x. 5x gets circled because 5 is also connected to x. Now, when you're looking at what's also there, go ahead and box everything that's left. I got plus 3, and then I got minus 2. It's important to take the sign that's in front of it to make sure that you don't change that, that value. So now I want to get my x's together. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides because negative 2 is the opposite of positive 2. And just remember to keep this hanger balanced. Whatever I do to one side, I got to do the exact same thing to the other. My 2x's cancel out, leaving me with just 3. 5x minus 2x gave me 3x. And I dropped down that negative 2. Now I have no more x's to combine on both sides. So now I got to work with this negative 2 to get it to this 3. The opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. These cancel out, leaving me with just 3x. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now I'm left with 5 equals 3x. My last step is to make sure that I get x by itself. So now I got to get rid of the 3. To get rid of the 3 is connected to x by multiplication. I'm going to do the inverse operation, which means I'm going to divide by 3. And if I do it to this side, I got to do the exact same thing to the other. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Or I can just simply write x. And 5 divided by 3, I can leave that as 5/3, or I can write it as 1 2/3. There you go.